Make it easy for visitors to interact with business owners. The Business Directory Forms add-on lets you add complete contact forms to business owners' profiles. Have visitors fill their name, email, phone contact, and any other fields, such as quotation and available date for a call. The add-on offers a powerful drag-and-drop interface to edit the form. Use fields like text input, text area, number, select list, radio buttons, checkboxes, and date fields. Make the field required, change front-end labels, display useful tooltips, and add style with a CSS class. Each field can have its own settings. You can also edit, copy, or remove the fields. Choose individual directory pages to display the form on. The messages will be sent to the admin. You can send it directly to the expert by integrating the community add-on. Customize labels of the header, button, and the success message in the backend so that the text is in the language and style of your choice. The Business Directory Form add-on is a perfect solution to help users to stay in touch with the business owners by applying a professional contact form to the listings.